find the volume of wall built from 4,000 bricks. This question we solved in our class also. Class में ये question हमने solve गरिसकेका थियौं.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, second one, for the first 175 telephone calls, tariff is 200, and for additional calls in every rupee 1 is charged per call. Kapil has telephones for rupees 720, except telephone service charge and value added tax. Find how many calls has he made. उसले कति कल बनायो होला. This is similar type of questions we did in class. Similarly, there was the question to find out the true or false. If elements are same, we have to say it is true. If elements are different, we have to say it is false. So elements are same, BUK, only these are rearranged in another order. So both have same elements, as well as cardinality of set is also same. So this is the true result. Similarly, Roshan bought a car for 6,34,000 and sold for 6,23,000. We have to find out the loss. So you can simply use the formula of loss. After this fifth number, while unloading 2,000 bricks from mini truck, the probability of breaking brick is 0.1. We have to find out probability of non-breaking bricks. नभाँचिएका इट्टाहरू. Not the probability of non-breaking. Probability find out गर्न भनेको छैन कि नभाँचिएका इट्टाहरूको number find out गर्नुपर्ने हो. That means we have to find out the favorable events. Some of these questions I solved for you that I will show later on. So at first look at the answer and continuously you may take screenshots also for your future use or to know your actual result. Near about most of you secure 70 to 90%, 95%. Are you checking it? Formula to calculate total surface area of cuboid is, you know the formula. Similarly, 1 unit water means 1000 liter, not 1000 ml or 500 liter or 100 liter. It is 1000 liter. While in home arithmetic, we discussed about it. Similarly, a formula for this one, the term which is described after gaining something, gain after the sale, that is the profit.
Sir, somebody have also written SP and that was 50%, right?
That was 50% because of mistake in that website. यो एन्सर सिट सफल हुने किसिमले मैले सेटिङ मिलाएको थिएँ. सफल गर्दाखेरि त्यहाँ मिस्टेक हुँदो रहेछ. And next day if we will conduct similar exam, we will do without shuffling. सफल नगरिकन गरौँला. Then there will be no mistake, I think. So here is the question to find out the probability of getting king. अब 4 वटा king हुन्छन् 52 cards मा. 4 out of 52, that is 1 by 13. Similarly, formula of loss CP minus SP, and total surface area solid I have shown to you in messenger group. This is solved in your example also. Example मा अलि हामीले गरे जसरी solve गरेका छैन कि सबैतिरको rectangles area निकालेर गरेको छ. So I will solve this question for you again. 16 number, the Biswa found bike for bought the bike for this much and sold for this much. That means 32,000 and 45,000. Question is the find out the profit. We have to find out the profit by using formula or difference between selling price and cost price. Similarly, population of Barakot village, we solved this question also in class. Barakot village को population 40,000 थियो. एक जनाले 15 liter water use गर्छ भने त्यो ट्याङ्कीमा भएको वाटर कति दिनको लागि पुग्ला. and size of tank is also given 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. Similarly, there is cubical tank of volume 125 meter cube. We have to find out the total surface area. At first we have to use formula volume of cube. Volume of cube is L cube. Volume of cube को formula L cube हो, त्यो use गरेर L को value आउँछ. त्यसपछि total surface area को formula use गर्नु पर्यो. फर्स्ट में भोल्युम को फर्मुला यूज गरेर एल निकाल्ने. एल निकालिसकेपछि टोटल सर्फेस एरिया को फर्मुला 6L square and you will get 150 easily. Pemba took a taxi from Singhdarbar Kathmandu to Kalanki for 5 km and minimum charge is 14. 7.20 for 200 meter, and waiting charge for 10 minutes you have to pay at the rate of 7.20 per 2 minute. 2 minute को 7.20 को rate ले 10 minute को waiting charge पनि pay गर्नु पर्ने छ. We have to calculate the total charge. I think you can calculate it easily. And this one is also easy. Occurring Sunday, 7 वटा डेजहरु हुन्छ, एउटा Sunday हुन्छ. I think there is no problem in it. And you are confused in the question.
सर त्यसको के भन्छ 123 मिटर क्यूब वाला.
Yes sir, त्यसमा त्यो
120 एउटा यहाँ पनि कन्फ्युज भएको छ. यो मिटर क्यूब र सीएम क्यूब कन्फ्युजन दिनको लागि एउटामा मिटर क्यूब लेखिदिएको छ, एउटामा सीएम क्यूब लेखिदिएको छ. But our all dimensions are in centimeter, so its answer will be in cm cube. Answer numerical value the same छ, एउटा cm cube मा छ, एउटा meter cube मा. Okay. In which question there is problem? This one?
18 number sir. 18.
Yes
number.
sir, 18. There is a cubical table.
This one sir.
यो क्यूब को वॉल्यूम को लागि L क्यूब को फर्मुला युज गर. L क्यूब इज इक्वल टु 125. त्यहाँबाट L आउँछ नि. L cube is equal to 125. L cube is equal to 5 cube, and then L is equal to 5 आउँछ. L is equal to 5 आइसकेपछि total surface area 6L square. 6 into 5 square. 6 into 25, that is 150. त्यसरी 150 आउने हो.
Sir, yesterday I have written 150. That was incorrect, sir.
मेरो पनि incorrect थियो.
That is mistake of website. I already said. Setting मा के problem रहेछ? That software is of type paid type software. हामीले पे गरेपछि exactly त्यसले काम गर्दो रहेछ. And I use the trial only. $50 per year भनेको छ. $50 per year पे गरेर चलाउने कुरो भएन. But school is using paid type of software for exam. Exam को लागि paid type of software नै use गर्ने हो. त्यहाँ ट्रायल युज गरेको हुनाले त्यहाँ मिस्टेकहरु धेरै देखिएको थियो. ओके, दिस इज क्लियर अर नट?
Yes sir.
के गर्ने भन्ने क्लियर भयो कि भएन? हु वाज आस्किङ?
वाला L को निकाल्ने हो नि.
Yes, at first volume is equal to L cube. Okay, so let's go to solution of some questions. Okay, so let's go to solution of some questions. This question was there in yesterday's exam. यो पहिला पनि हामीले सल्भ गरिसकेका थियौं. I am going to show you similar things. त्यही कुरालाई रिपिट गर्दै छौं है. We are in revision process. Number of bricks given to us are 4000, and length of brick 20, breadth of brick 10, height of brick 4 centimeter. From this we can calculate the volume of brick small b, and volume of wall is capital V, which is asked to calculate. हामीलाई क्याल्कुलेट गर्न भनेको छ क्यापिटल V को भ्यालु. ओके, so we know the formula. Volume of brick is equal to length into breadth into height. This is the simple thing. As this formula, volume is equal to L into B into H. So put values 20 into 10 into 4. It gives us 800 cm cube. 800 cm cube volume आयो. त्यसपछि volume of wall. Formula for volume of wall is number of bricks into volume of brick. एउटा brick को volume into total number of bricks. Total number of bricks are given to us. Again we have taken this from this formula. Volume of wall equal to N into V. Use the values 4000 into 800, and it gives us our required answer. Is this clear to you?
Yes sir.
Okay, then let's move to next question. This one also we already solved, and this was asked to you yesterday. Most of you ticked an answer 3 days. 3 days भनेर टिक गरेको थियो, तर केहीले 1 day 4 day मा पनि टिक गरेको थियो. That means just you guessed in place of calculating. Calculate गर्नुको सट्टा गेस गरेर फटाफट टिक लगाइदियो. So don't do like that. You will have enough time in exam. So do according to your time. फटाफट गेस गरेर 10 मिनेटमा सिद्ध्याउनु पर्ने छैन. 10 मिनट में सिद्ध्याउनेहरु पनि थिए हिजो त्यहाँ फटाफट सिद्ध्याएर you were given the time of 45 minutes and you finished in 10 minutes. I don't do like that. So first thing is population of village is 40,000 and one person can consume 15 liter. एक जनालाई 15 लिटर पानी चाहिँदो रहेछ. Water needed each day for all peoples. All people means for 40,000 people we need 6 lakh liters. एक दिनको लागि 6 लाख लिटर चाहियो. And we have the length, breadth and height of the tank. Length is 20, breadth is 15 and height is 6. So we can calculate the volume of tank. Volume of tank is L into B into H. It gives us 1,80,000 liters. 1,80,000 liters volume of tank bio. And for each day, for every day, we need 6 lakh liters. एक दिनमा 6 लाख लिटर चाहिन्छ भने 18 लाख लिटरले this is 18 lakh or 1,80,000? 18 lakh liters, okay. 18 lakh liters ले कति दिनको लागि पुग्ला त? To calculate it, we have to divide this 18 lakh by 6 lakh. एक दिनमा चाहिने water को total volume is 6 lakh and it divides 18 lakh to calculate the number of days for which the water will be enough from the tank. यो ट्याङ्की को पानीले कति दिनलाई पुग्ला भन्नको लागि डिवाइड गर्नुपर्ने भयो.
3 days.
And this is our required answer. अन्दाजी गर्ने काम नगर. Evaluate yourself also. आफूले आफैलाई इभ्यालुएट गर्ने काम गर. How much I have learned during these days. असारदेखि होम असाइनमेन्ट जेठदेखि दियौँ. असारदेखि हामीले क्लासहरु नै सुरु गर्यौं. We started online class and what you have learned after that. That you have to evaluate yourself. Cheating गर्न त घरमा it is possible. Mostly you can do it. एक्जाम घरबाट दिनु छ भने चिटिङ गर्न त पोसिबल छ. यता 3-4 वटा किताब राखेर सँगै बस्यो भने एक्जाम दिन पोसिबल छ. You can do it. But try to evaluate yourself. It is not important that what you will get the marks in exam. It is important that how much you learned. Okay. So is there any problem in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I solved this because some of you send screenshot of this question to me. त्यसैले फेरि यो रिपिट गर्दिया है. सर
Okay, sir.
यो सल्भ गरिदिनु पर्यो सर भने उनीले गर्देको. So let's go to next question. अब एउटा यो क्वेशन पनि थियो, फिगर त्यहाँ दिएको थिएन. This figure was not given in screen. स्क्रिनमा दिएको थिएन तर यसको क्याल्कुलेट गर्न भनेको थियो total surface area. This was asked to you. So at first we have to know about the cross section. यसको cross section के हो भन्ने थाहा पाउनु पर्यो. So cross section is, you know what is cross section? यो cross section भनेको front side बाट देखिने portion, which I am sketching here roughly. Roughly जुन sketch गर्दैछु यही portion लाई cross section भने हो. Portion included inside this red region. Red rough line जो draw गरेको छु यो भित्रको region. Region inside this rough sketch. This whole portion, yellow region, is the cross section. यस्तै पछाडी पनि हुन्छ. यो this solid is called prism. यो prism लाई हामीले बीचबाट काटे पनि यस्तै आउने हो. Okay. So at first we have to convert this cross section. Okay. यो cross section लाई हामीले rectangle रूपमा convert गर्नु पर्यो. So I have drawn here dotted line. यो red line यहाँ draw गरेँ. Red line draw गरिसकेपछि cross section दुईटा part मा divide भयो. It is divided into two rectangles. Two part मा divide भयो. एउटा माथिपट्टि एउटा तलपट्टि. And its length is 33 How it becomes 33? Total length of this rectangle is 78, which is shown here. You 78 bata you mathematical 45, you 45 minus कर दियो and it becomes 33. This is the 33. Similarly, length of this vertical portion, total vertical length is 55. Out of 55 there is 30. Yeah. Okay, you can see the total whole solution. We subtracted this 30 from 55. यतापट्टिको जुन 30 छ यो 55 बाट माइनस गरेर यहाँ 25 आयो. Similarly, it is 30, same to that one. I have written these to calculate the perimeter of cross section as well as area of cross section. At first we have to calculate the area of cross section. Look at the cross section. There are two rectangles. One rectangle of length 78 and breadth 30. So its area is 78 into 30. Similarly, there is another rectangle of length 33 and breadth 25. So its area is 33 into 25. Multiply these values, 2340 plus 825. Total it becomes 3165. This is clear to you?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after this, we have to find out perimeter of cross section. Perimeter of cross section means length of whole boundary of cross section. एकछिन अगाडि यो ड्रा गरेर देखाएको थिए कि क्रस सेक्सन भने कुन हो. आई एम मुभिङ द क्रसर नाउ अल्सो. यो क्रसर यहाँबाट यसरी मुभ गरिरहेको छु. यो पोर्सनको टोटल लेन्थ, this length of boundary is perimeter. So it is 55. Next one 78 plus 30 plus 45 plus 25 plus 33. Total it is equal to 266 centimeter. This is the perimeter of cross section. And height of the prism, height भने यो portion हो, यो slanted portion. These all portions are height. यतापट्टि देखिने यो portion पनि height हो. यतापट्टि देखिने यो portion पनि height हो. This one is also height. This one is also height. These are the heights. These slanted portions are the heights. Or we can say the length of prism. Prism को length or height of prism, both are same thing. If perimeter is multiplied by the height, it gives us lateral surface area. And if lateral surface is added to cross sections, lateral surface यो slanted portion में भएका रेक्टेंगलहरुको एरियालाई slanted surface area sorry lateral surface area भन्ने हो. यहाँ भएको यो रेक्टेंगल, यतापट्टि भएको यो रेक्टेंगल. If these area of these rectangles are added, there is another rectangle to back side and just below this solid तल पनि एउटा rectangle छ. Area of those portion is lateral surface area. And to calculate that, we have to multiply perimeter by height. And I included both here in formula of total surface area. You perimeter into height PS, that means lateral surface area. And 2A means there are two cross sections, one to front side and another to back side. Just to cross section या front side मा छ, त्यस्तै cross section यतापट्टि back side मा पनि हुन्छ. Okay. So put the values 2 into area of cross section plus perimeter into height of the prism. It gives us 6330 plus 7182. Add these both values. It gives us 13,512 cm square. Is this clear?
Yes.
Not
Sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And it is solved in different way in your book also. Book पनि हेर्न सक्छौ है, example मा अलग तरिकाले गरेको छ. यो सबै पोर्सनहरुको एरिया निकालेर मल्टिप्लाई गरेको छ. यो पोर्सन, त्यसैगरी यो यतापट्टिको रेक्टेंगल, यो रेक्टेंगल, यो रेक्टेंगल, यो रेक्टेंगल, यता लेफ्ट साइडमा भएको अर्को रेक्टेंगल, अनि ब्याक साइडमा भएको सबैलाई एड गरेर A1 A2 A3 A4 A7 A8 सम्म कतिसम्म पुर्याएर those are added to calculate the total surface area. And this is the simple method. Okay, now look at next question. While unloading 2000 bricks from mini truck, the probability of breaking of brick is 0.1. Find the number of non-breaking bricks. अब यो सिम्पल क्वेसन भएन, यो पनि बुकमा सल्भ त गरिदिएको छ. You understand or not, I don't know. So you can check your book again. Book चाहिँ हेर्ने गर है. Exercise as well as examples. Number of bricks given is 2000. मान कि एउटा ट्रकले वा ट्र्याक्टरले ब्रिक ल्याउँदैछ 2000 इटाहरु ल्यायो अनि इटा अनलोड गर्दाखेरि ट्रकबाट तल भुइँमा खसाल्दाखेरि भाँचिने प्रोबेबिलिटी 0.1 छ. then probability of non breaking the brick, नभाँचिने probability, we have to subtract it from 1. all of you know it. किन 1 बाट माइनस गरिन्छ? because 1 is the total probability. Highest probability is 1, as like universal set is U. In set, in probability 1 is the total probability. From it, if probability of event is subtracted, it becomes probability of not coming that event. That means probability of not getting the event or not breaking the bricks here for this question. 1 बाट 0.1 minus गर्दा यो भयो 0.9. This is the probability of not breaking of the brick. इटा नभाँचिने probability भयो. Okay. So number of non-broken bricks. From where this formula comes? यो formula हामीले यस्तो formula लेखेका थियौं त? Did we discuss about this one?
No, sir.
यस्तो formula लेखेका त थिएनौं. यो formula कहाँबाट आयो भने यो formula त छ नि हामीसँग. Probability of event is equal to NE by NS. Isn't it? यो फर्मुला छ हो. यसै फर्मुलामा यो NS लाई लेफ्ट तिर ल्याइदिएको है. PE into NS equal to NE. यहाँ कम्प्लिमेन्ट को लागि पनि त्यही भयो. PE into NS equal to NE. If NS is taken to left side, यो NS लाई यहाँबाट लेफ्ट तिर ल्यायो भने NE is equal to PE into NS. This is clear? यो फर्मुला कसरी आयो भन्ने क्लियर भयो कि भएन?
Yes, sir.
अब यो पढ्न त हामी प्रोबेबिलिटी पढेका छौं. गभर्नमेन्ट अफ नेपाल said that leave 3 chapters. You may note down those. Do you have pen and copies?
Yes, sir.
To minimize the course content of this year, they removed some portions from the curriculum. टाइम में कोर्स सकेर यो साल स्टुडेन्टहरुको खेर नजाओस्, स्टुडेन्टहरुलाई लस नहोस् भनेर एउटा प्रोबेबिलिटी रिमुभ गरिदिएको छ कोर्स कन्टेन्टबाट. Another portion removed is trigonometry. Trigonometry पनि नपढाउने भनेको छ. Similarly, they removed circle. Geometry मा circle भन्ने अलगै टपिक छ नि त्यहाँ. Are you checking your book? एउटा probability हटाइदिएको छ. Next one is circle, trigonometry, and some portions of other parts of geometry. जस्तो त्यहाँ हामी theoretical as well as experimental verification of questions हरु गर्थ्यौं. त्यसमा पनि experimental verifications हरु नगराउने, theoretical मात्रै गराउने भनेको छ theorems हरु. So course is minimized for this year. Decrease गरिएको छ. अनि सोलिड को च्याप्टर बाट पनि यो प्रिज्म यस्तो सबै टाइप को सोलिडहरु नपढाएर जनरली क्यूब, क्यूबोइड, भोल्युम, टोटल सर्फेस एरिया यो कुराहरु मात्रै पढाउने भनेको छ है. We discussed about lot of things.
Trigonometry is not
यो सालको लागि करिकुलमबाट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीलाई अहिले नपढाउने भनेको छ टिचरहरुलाई इन्स्ट्रक्सन दिएको छ.
math बाट कि सर अप्सनल?
Math बाट from math, not from optional math. Optional math मा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री छैन. Optional math मा त ट्रिग्नोमेट्री नभए भने के पढ्ने हो? त्यो 25% ट्रिग्नोमेट्री नै हो optional math को त. Out of 100, 24 को ट्रिग्नोमेट्री हुन्छ त्यहाँ. अब यहाँ टोटल
स्कुल कहिलेसम्म खुल्छ?
स्कुल that depends. अब स्कुलको लागि त केही भन्न सकिदैन. खुल्न सक्छ, खुल्न नसक्ने हुन सक्छ. अब जहाँ कोरोना छैन त्यहाँ खुली पनि सक्यो. हिजो अस्तिदेखि क्लासहरु पढाइ पनि भइसक्यो. कैलालीमै, कञ्चनपुरमै स्कुलहरु स्टार्ट पनि भइसक्यो. जीरो कोरोना भएको गाउँपालिकाहरु वा नगरपालिकाहरु, म्युनिसिपालिटीहरुमा सुरु भइसक्यो स्कुलहरु. अब हाम्रो यो रिजनमा धनगढी और अत्तरिया यो रिजनमा त कोरोना धेरै छन्, त्यहाँ त्यही गरी ब्यारेकमै पनि छन्. So there is the problem. अब प्रब्लम भएको ठाउँमा खुल्ने होइन, प्रब्लम नभएको ठाउँमा खुल्ने हो. Okay. So I think this formula is clear.
Yes, sir.
So now put these values. NS is 2000. Probability of event is 0.9. And total, after multiplying it, it becomes 1800. And this is our required answer. के अरु क्वेशन में प्रॉब्लम छ?
No, sir.
Sir, 19.
Question number 19 of yesterday's exam.
Yes, sir.
This one.
Sir.
Pimba took a taxi. Just wait. Maybe this question is solved in your book. I'll check it again then also.
It is given in example as well, sir.
Maybe I think it is given an example.
Yes, sir, it is easy.
It is easy question.